Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andhra Pradesh are bracing for cyclone Nivar that makes landfall tomorrow night. The Met Department says that the cyclone will develop into a severe category cyclone by tomorrow. Parts of coastal Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Andhra Pradesh have already started receiving rainfall and a red alert has been sounded. India Today's Akshay Nath and Gopi Krishnan Unithan report from the ground.
A storm is brewing in southern Bay of Bengal. Cyclone Nivar is inching closer to the coast of Tamil Nadu and is currently a few hundred kilometers away from Chennai. Nivar is expected to make landfall around Puducherry late on Wednesday evening. As a precaution, Tamil Nadu government has suspended state bus and train services in 11 districts and announced a public holiday.
நாளை தினம் அரசு விடுமுறை விடப்படுகிறது. நாளை தினம் அரசு அலுவலர்களுக்கு விடுமுறை விடப்படுகிறது. புயலின் காரணமாக கனமழை பெய்யக்கூடும். அதனால் அலுவலர்கள் பாதிக்கப்படுவார்கள் என்று கருதி நாளை தினம் அவர்களுக்கு விடுமுறை விடப்படுகிறது. அத்தியாவசிய பணியில் ஈடுபடுகின்ற பணியாளர்கள் நாளை பணிபுரிவார்கள்.
Right now we are in Chennai and more specifically at the Marina Beach right now. As you can already see, it's becoming very difficult in many parts of the city to stand because of the heavy winds that is blowing right now, and also it's raining quite heavily. This whole area seems inundated. There is not much people except for some fishermen who are here, and people have been advised not to come out of their houses.
Neighbouring Puducherry has imposed prohibitory orders till November 26th.
All the line departments have been kept on alert, and I'm confident that we will overcome it, because earlier there was a Kaja cyclone in Karaikal region about 2 years back. We managed it very well and there was no loss of life. Damage was there, damage was also minimal.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to the chief ministers and took stock of the preparedness ahead of the landfall.
सारी भारत सरकार की टीमें बहुत एक्टिव हैं, सब लोग गए हैं. मैंने आज 2 आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी से बात की थी. भारत सरकार और राज्य सरकारें मिल करके, और पहला काम खाली करवाना, लोगों को बचाना, इस पर हमारा जोर रहे.
22 NDRF teams have been pre-deployed and 8 teams are on standby. 15 disaster management teams of Indian Coast Guard are also ready to assist affected states.
We are keeping a close watch. NDRF का जो कंट्रोल रूम है वहाँ से हम लोग 24/7 वॉच रखते हैं, और वॉच केवल नहीं रखते, हम लोग स्टेट्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं, और हमारी टीमें अवेलेबल हैं अक्रॉस द 3 स्टेट्स जो पोटेंशियली अफेक्टेड स्टेट्स हैं, जिसमें कि मैं मानता हूं कि तमिलनाडु और पौंडीचेरी ज़्यादा अफेक्टेड होने की संभावना है, और उससे थोड़ा कमतर आंध्र प्रदेश के जिले होंगे.
Fingers are crossed that the storm weakens as it approaches land. For now, every possible measure is being taken to battle the aftermath of the cyclone's landfall. Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, that's it on News Track. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at the same time tomorrow. Coming up next is News Today with Rajdeep.